Join me as I take on the challenge of experiencing Bali in style while sticking to a tight budget. Can I really find luxury for less? Bali, a tropical paradise known for its stunning beaches, lush green landscapes, and vibrant culture. Who wouldn't want to unwind in this beautiful destination? But what if you're on a budget? Can you still experience the luxury that Bali has to offer without breaking the bank? That's exactly what we're going to find out today. When we think of luxury travel, we often imagine private jets, five-star hotels, and fine dining experiences. But the reality is, luxury travel isn't just for the wealthy. With a little creativity and research, you can experience luxury without the hefty price tag. However, there's a common misconception that luxury travel is only for those with deep pockets. Many people believe that in order to experience luxury, you need to be willing to shell out top dollar. But what if I told you that's just not true? You can have a luxurious vacation in Bali without sacrificing your budget. Of course, it does require some planning and flexibility, but trust me, it's worth it. The key is to find those hidden gems, the places and experiences that offer luxury at an affordable price. And that's exactly what we're going to explore today. Luxury travel is often about the experience, not just the price tag. It's about feeling pampered, indulged, and relaxed. And Bali has no shortage of affordable luxury experiences that can make you feel like royalty without breaking the bank. From stunning villas with private pools to gourmet dining experiences at a fraction of the cost, we're going to dive into the world of budget-friendly luxury in Bali. One of the biggest challenges of finding affordable luxury options is knowing where to look. It's easy to get caught up in the tourist traps and overpriced resorts, but with a little insider knowledge, you can find some amazing deals. For example, did you know that some of the most luxurious villas in Bali can be rented for a fraction of the cost of a five-star hotel? Or that you can enjoy a gourmet dinner at a Michelin-starred restaurant for under $50? When it comes to accommodations, Bali has no shortage of affordable luxury options. From stunning villas with private pools to boutique hotels with luxurious amenities, you can live like royalty without breaking the bank. One of my favorite finds was a villa in Ubud that offered a private pool, outdoor kitchen, and stunning views of the surrounding landscape, all for under $100 a night. It was the perfect blend of luxury and affordability. But it's not just about the accommodations. Bali is also home to some amazing dining experiences that offer luxury at an affordable price. From gourmet restaurants with stunning views, to cooking classes where you can learn the secrets of Balinese cuisine, there's something for every taste and budget. And the best part, you can enjoy a luxurious dinner for under $20. One of the standout experiences that really blew me away was a sunset cruise around the island of Nusa Penida. For under $50, I got to enjoy a luxurious boat ride, complete with champagne and canapes, while taking in the stunning views of the island. It was truly an unforgettable experience that I'll always treasure. Another experience that really impressed me was a visit to the Tirtha Empul Temple, a sacred site that's famous for its holy water and stunning architecture. For a few dollars, I got to experience a truly unique and luxurious experience that left me feeling refreshed and rejuvenated. If I had to pick one standout experience that really embodied the perfect blend of luxury and affordability, it would have to be the Ulu Cliff House in Uluwatu. Perched on the cliffs overlooking the Indian Ocean, this stunning venue offers breathtaking views, gourmet dining, and luxurious amenities, all at a fraction of the cost of a five-star resort. It's the perfect spot to enjoy a romantic dinner, or simply unwind and take in the views. So, what's the takeaway from today's video? Luxury in Bali is accessible, even on a budget. With a little creativity and insider knowledge, you can experience the luxury that this beautiful island has to offer without breaking the bank. Thanks for joining me on this journey to explore the world of budget-friendly luxury in Bali. If you have any tips or recommendations for affordable luxury experiences in Bali, please leave them in the comments below. And don't forget to check out my other videos for more travel tips and advice.